This is a What's in the Box video for a feast for Odin, the Norwegians expansion, which is the first expansion to a feast for Odin. I fully expect that there will be another one announced at some point, but they also do say it's the first expansion. I suspect there's going to be maybe the Swedes or the I don't know, the Denmark folks. So anyway, this is the instructions for it, same style as the original game. Another tray for holding all the stuff you got to punch out. A new scoring sheet for the spaces. I'm assuming there's a little bit different scoring in this game, and then all the punch boards, which we'll take a look at here. So the one disappointment I'll say with this is that there weren't any new cards. I think that the cards probably need some more variety in the first game, but we'll see here we have new sheds, which are custom for each player, new islands, new animals, new boats, some new tiles, and then these are the new boards. So it's a boards with additional space over here for your last 1 or 2 workers, and different boards per player count. So you can see here that 4 players or 1 to 3 players. So if you're playing with a 4th player, you'll have, or if you play with different player counts, you'll have slightly different boards. Some new options for mining, which is nice. A bunch of new pieces, and I don't know what this is. It looks like new places for boats, maybe. Some new islands and more horses. Some new islands and buildings and some more horses. 2 more islands. I guess they felt like they needed a lot more islands. I don't know if they really did, but man, that's a lot of islands. It'd be crazy to set this game up. I guess you'll just have to leave them there. And then they have a new set of victory point tokens along with purchasable items that you can get from either war, like special ones, actually lower cost from war, and ones you can only buy. Ones you can only, is there any ones that you can only make? No, you can always get them through war or purchasing. I guess this one you can only purchase, so that's interesting. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for the Feast for Odin the Norwegians. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe. Thank you.